Hey, this is Brian again, and I want to talk to everybody about this wheel situation. I have kind of like grown an interest in these coing wheels, flow-formed. They're a little bit more money, they're $1,250, and everything's gonna have more tax on it. But versus the $800 wheels, some of the other ones that I was looking at. One thing that draws me to these wheels is that they look different than a lot of the other wheels. The classic, 5-spoke. Everyone has them, and also too, what I think is really cool about these wheels is that they are more of a deep dish. And come to find out, versus the rear and the fronts being the smaller typically on a lot of these cars, 8.5, 9.5, and versus a 10 and 11 on the rear. They're one of the few companies that offers, up to the 10 and the 11 on the rear wheel. So that's pretty beneficial. These are flow form. They're going to be the 10-inch one in the rear is 24.5 versus 31, 32 pounds for a lot of the other wheels, niche, and even some of the upper brands. So lighter weight, stronger. Also too, it's not terribly more expensive, but the aspect that I'm interested in is that they're kind of a concave. Let's see, there's a convex and a concave. So there's an A and a B profile, and the larger wheels are going to have a concave, so it means it dishes inwards, and convex is like your eyeball where it's round. On our front, it's round in the front, and that's to fit the bigger brakes. I don't have big brakes, so it's not a huge interest for me. But I mean, it may be really cool. And then it's got a machined, highly polished lip, and I like that, man, for my Mustang days. More muscle car days. This isn't a muscle car, but it might look really cool. And then also too, you may not be aware, this has a chrome-like finish on it, but it's not chrome, because they say that they could have put chrome on there, but chrome is not very durable, and I can contest to that that the chrome on my factory wheels that I really like are really delicate. So they have a special coating on there, and they're clear coated too, that it resembles more of the chrome on the face of the wheel, and then the polished lip around it. And so it's a really unique wheel, lightweight, strong, and different than a lot of the other wheels. So I may try them out, depending on return policy. I'm doing a lot of research through the Fitment Industries website. They've got so many wheels, it's ridiculous. Talk to them, and they, I've seen that, mount, as long as you don't mount them and everything, and you test fit them and everything looks good or it looks horrible. I mean, I'm the first one to say, if it looks horrible, man, I don't want to keep them. And I mean, they could look really shitty. I got them on Photoshop, and until you see these things firsthand, you step back and you look at them, you just don't know. So just kind of putting this out there, someone may say that's a stupid idea. Well, a couple people lately have been pretty aggressive with their hatred, but I just thought I'd bring this to the attention, and everyone can kind of look at them and then go from there. Okay, thanks, and have a good day.